How to add subtitles to movies using MX Player Full Guide 2026. Have you ever sat down to watch a movie only to find the audio is in a different language or the dialogue is just too hard to hear? It can totally ruin the vibe. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the official, most up-to-date way to add subtitles to any movie using MX Player in 2026, including a built-in search trick that means you don't even have to leave the app to find them. Adding subtitles turns your phone into a portable cinema. Whether you already have the subtitle file or you need the app to find one for you, here is the logical step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Open your movie in MX Player. Once the video is playing, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the overlay menu. Step 2. Look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Subtitle. Step 3. If you already have a subtitle file, like in .srt or .sub downloaded on your phone, tap Open. This will let you browse your internal storage. Simply find your file, tap it, and it will load onto the movie immediately. Step 4. If you don't have a file yet, use the Online Subtitles feature. Inside the subtitle menu, tap Online Subtitles and then select Search. MX Player will automatically use the movie's metadata to search the web for matching subtitles. You can even check the box to enter your own text if the movie title is spelled differently. Step 5. Once the search results appear, check the box next to the best match and hit Download. The subtitles will sync and start playing right away. Step 6. Fix the timing. If the words don't match the voices, go back to the subtitle menu and tap Synchronization. Use the plus and minus buttons to shift the text forward or backward by 0.1 seconds until it's perfect. Here is an expert pro tip. If you're watching a foreign film and the text is too small or hard to read, you can change the look entirely. Go to the subtitle menu, tap Settings, and select Appearance. Here you can add a dark background behind the text or change the font color to bright yellow. This is a lifesaver for watching movies in bright sunlight. By using these built-in tools, you've mastered the ultimate way to watch movies exactly how you want them. If this guide helped you get your movie night back on track, please hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech tips. Are your subtitles still not showing up? Drop the file type and your phone model in the comments, and I'll help you troubleshoot.